Good morning, children. Already I completed first lesson, peace and harmony. So, peace and harmony. So, you know very well who got the peace? All the animals. So, they are enjoying. They are so happy in the forest. But today also, poem, I want peace. I want peace. Here, first I'll read the three stanzas. Again, I'll explain. Okay? All of you listen carefully. What is the homework you have to do? Everything in the classroom, but don't neglect. Okay? I want peace. I'm big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for help. I want to help the poor people. I'm big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. I'm big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. I say grace for all people. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. Here, who is saying this? The Mother Earth. The Mother Earth saying, I am big and round. The earth is round. So here, like Mother, she is worried about the people who are on it. So here, one by one, you have to understand clearly how your parents are care about you. If you are weak, if you are suffering, they will take more care. No, like that here also, the Mother Earth taking care. Then what is the first stanza and second stanza and third stanza? You understand it clearly. I am big and round. I wonder. Wonder means surprise. Why Mother Earth was surprising? I wonder if there will be peace. Peace means, I wrote here, peace means quiet and pleasant situation. Nowadays, we don't find any peace because of the Corona-19. All stayed at home. We are safe in the houses. No more. So here, the Mother Earth wonder if there will be peace means there is no peace. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear. Here the Mother Earth is hearing. What is the sound? I hear the sound of people who are being killed. Who are being killed. So we are standing on the earth. We are keeping the everything on the earth. But Mother Earth is not saying anything. He is bearing every problem. No, here why Mother Earth wonder means I hear the sound of people who are being killed. Many people of being killed. They were crying for life. Where these all situations happen? On the earth. So like mother is feeling so bad. Why these people are being killed? Who are being killed? They are crying for life. What I will do? Like that, Mother Earth thinking. See, I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. They are crying for life. We want to live like that. Who are being killed? The people are saying, or crying, Who is hearing here? Mother Earth. Our parents also worried about you. No more? When you are in the problem, Mother is suffering a lot. When you are suffering from fever, Mother is taking care. Okay? Like that, here also, Mother Earth who are being killed, those who are crying for life, Mother is appearing. Then last line, I want to help the poor people. I want to help the poor people. Who are the poor people here? Who are being killed, who are crying for life, who want to peace. For them, I want to help. I want to help. For example, when you are scoring the less mark, is your mother going to send you out? No. Whatever you are, mother is providing. No? Like that here also, mother's love. Mother's love, then we never find anywhere. So here, Mother Earth, who are being killed, who are crying for life, I want to help them. I want to help them. I want to help the poor people. That is the first stanza. Okay. Second stanza. I'm big and round. I feel. First line. I wonder. I wonder. But second stanza, what the mother is saying? I feel the weight of sorrow on me. Sorrow. Sorrow means what is the feeling unhappy. Sorrow. Somebody, but it is COVID-19, so many people died. No, are we feeling happy? We are showing sympathy. No, so here also, Mother Earth feeling the weight of sorrow, worry of the people who are crying, who are being killed. Mother Earth feeling the weight of sorrow on me. On me, we are all on the earth. I am feeling the weight of sorrow. Then third line, I touch the feelings of the people. Why they are suffering? What are the problems? My heart touched. My heart touched. So whenever my parents or teachers or elders says anything, you have to take it to your notice. You have to take to your heart. You have to follow. But here Mother Earth touching the feelings of the people, taking the notice. Mother Earth taking the feelings of the people, why they are suffering, why they are sorrow, why they are crying, like that. Mother Earth thinking how to help. I want to help, how to handle, like that. Mother Earth thinking about the people. I worry. Why Mother Earth worry? I worry about the future of the people on me. Future of the people. Why Mother Earth feeling? Future of the people. Oh God, these people are crying for life. Some people are killing. Some people are feeling sorrow. What is the future of these people? Like our parents, Mother Earth also feeling of the future of the people. Are you giving the importance to the earth, ma? See how much responsibility Mother Earth is showing toward the people. Then here also we have to find Mother's love. So I feel, I worry, I touch, I wonder, I see how nicely Mother Earth expressing its feelings. Then I worry about the future of the people on me. Last line, I cry. I cry for help. From whom? From God. God only help those who are in needy. When we are in worry, when we are in needy, no need to tell our problems to the people. We have to say to God. Definitely God will give the result. God will give the answer to you. But one thing, our hearts should be pure. With the pure hearts, if you pray, definitely God will help you. No need to go anywhere, no need to run hither and there. The last line, how nicely. Mother Earth crying help from God. Only God never show the partiality. Before the God, we are all equal. No rich people, no millionaires, no poor people, no beggars. That's what Mother Earth given one opportunity, given one lesson, given one model. What is the model? When we are in needy, we have to cry before the God. We have to look up into the God. I can for help from God. The second stanza. The third one, I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. Mother understands. Mother understands the problems of the people. When mother understand, mother waiting for opportunity to give everything. Okay, ma? Here also, Mother Earth understand the problems of the people. What are the problems? In the first stanza, so many people being killed. The people are crying for life. And second one, so many people are feeling and they are showing that they are crying. I'm observing the sorrow of the people. How I have to help? Then third stanza, Mother Earth understand the people problem. What are the problem? So only mother understanding how to solve the problems. I say grace for all people. Grace means a smooth way of moving. Grace means a smooth way of moving. Smooth way of moving. Grace, oh God, you show mercy. Mother Earth asking God helps. But Mother Earth is not going anywhere. When mother understand the problems of the people, here third line, I say, grace for all people. Why? In the second stanza, last line, Mother Earth cry for help from God. When we pray to God, definitely, when we are praying, we have to think we got it. Why? Because God never showed the partiality. Then third stanza, what mother say? I say, grace for all people. Grace means showing mercy. Oh God, you show mercy on people. You show mercy on who are suffering a lot. Please, like that, Mother Earth crying help from God. Then fourth line, I dream about my past. Mother also getting the dream. What is the past? How I was. Now how I am. Mother Earth is thinking something about the past. I try to handle my sorrow. Mother Earth is trying to handle, trying to bear the problem. Handle means taking the care. Handle and trying to bear what are the problems of the above first stanza and second stanza. Why? Because here Mother Earth depends upon the God. That's what I try to handle my sorrow. My sorrow means who are being killed on me, who are crying for life on me, who are weight sorrow on me, who are worried about me. Like that, I want to handle the problems of the people. I want to help them. Like that, mother decided. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't destroy. I won't be destroyed. Here, how nicely. I won't be destroyed. We are destroying the earth by cutting the tree and throwing the dust, everything. We are spoiling the earth. Though Mother Earth is saying, I want to help them. I want to help them. I try to handle like that. Mother Earth saying, I hope I won't be destroyed. Destroyed means spoiled. I won't be destroyed. I won't be spoiled. I try to help my poor people. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. Like mother, our earth also helping the poor people from where she wants to get the help from the God. So my dear students, how Mother Earth try to handle, try to understand, try to help the poor people from God, we also do like that only. So when we are in needy, not now and then, always we have to pray. When we are in needy, if you go on pray, God never give. Why? Because when we are needy, but we need God's presence every day. But here Mother Earth also asking help from God to help the poor people. First stanza, Mother Earth wants to help the poor people, and second stanza, she is crying help from God, and third stanza, I say grace for all people. I won't be destroyed. I want to help. I know my future of the people, how I have to help them. Like Mother Earth saying, I am big and round. But are you giving the importance to the earth, ma? We have to give. We have to say thanks to God who given the earth. If there is no earth, if the earth won't allow, how to stand? How to build the buildings? How do we keep everything on the earth? So Mother Earth is a very kind-hearted one. Whenever you are giving the problems on the earth, though Mother provided everything to allowing you to stand, to build the building and everything. So we should not spoil the earth by digging, by cutting the trees and throwing like that and throwing the papers in the river, and not do like that. So where we are, we have to maintain proper decency. Have you understood, ma? So all of you not write the poem. What are the rhyming words and meanings? If you understand the poem, you write the question answer also. Okay? Can you write? Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.